This is important. This means something. This place is the Louisiana Gulf Coast, the Mississippi River Delta. It feeds us, it cleans our water, it holds back the floods, and it's home to countless species, including human beings. It's all of these things, and it's also endangered. Created long ago by the overflow of the Mississippi and Atchafalaya rivers, these marshlands have lost much of their supply of sediment and fresh water. Today, some marshes have become open water. And when we lose them, we weaken our communities, livelihoods, safety, and health. But it's not too late. For 35 years, ConocoPhillips has worked with Ducks Unlimited, a worldwide leader in conservation. Together, we're working to help restore the wetlands of the Louisiana Gulf Coast. We're working with the state of Louisiana and federal government agencies to use existing canals to reintroduce fresh water, nutrients, and sediments back into the marsh in order to restore the balance between salt and fresh water. And we're installing new water control structures to control salinity and maximize the flow of that fresh water. We're also creating marsh terraces, low, duck-wing-shaped ridges made from existing bottom sediments. These terraces form protected, calm areas of water behind them. Vegetation is planted along their edges so that in time, these plants spread across the terraces, stabilizing them and forming a new habitat for wildlife. And the calmer water promotes aquatic vegetation growth, food for ducks, and habitat for fisheries. Using these techniques, we convert newly formed shallow waters back into marsh. We do this because it's important, because it means something. The Delta means food and water for communities. It means protection from nature. It's a place where people work and live. And many of those people work in oil and gas. After all, ConocoPhillips is the largest private wetlands property owner in the United States. So we live here too. Louisiana's coastal wetlands are a vital resource worth taking care of. And we and our partners are working to do just that. We're ConocoPhillips, proud of our long partnership with Ducks Unlimited, and committed to environmental stewardship.